Dyad is first because the promise is instantly clickable. Build apps with AI locally without sending the whole workflow through a hosted Lovable, Bolt, or V0 style platform. The official README calls Dyad a local, open-source AI app builder that is fast, private, and fully under your control. That is the whole hook. This video is not about another chat window that writes snippets. It is about whether a local app builder can give you the same prompt-to-product feeling while keeping the code and the run loop on your machine. The reason Dyad deserves a full video is the local-first positioning. Hosted AI builders are convenient, but they also wrap the project, the deployment flow, and sometimes the pricing model around someone else's platform. Dyad flips that framing. The interesting question is not just whether it can generate a pretty screen. The question is whether it gives builders a practical loop: describe the app, inspect the code, run it locally, fix the first broken state, and leave with a project you can understand. That is a stronger story than another shiny demo. The source packet uses the real dyad-sh/dyad repo, the official site, the README, package metadata, and browser captures. I do not rebuild fake UI for this video. The GitHub stats, last push, and source structure are shown directly. The terminal pass checks the package scripts and visible project folders, so viewers can see whether this is a living desktop app, not just a landing page. That matters because AI app builder videos can become pure fantasy fast if the proof layer is weak. The setup mental model is simple. First confirm the official installer or build path, then open the app, then create one narrow project. Do not start with a giant CRM, marketplace, or social network. A good first dyad test is a small dashboard, a landing page with auth placeholders, or a simple internal tool. The viewer needs to see the shortest path from prompt to running app, then the first moment where generated code has to be inspected like real software. The best demo for Dyad is a tiny monetizable SaaS skeleton. Ask for a landing page, pricing card, waitlist form, and dashboard shell. Then inspect what it generated, run it locally, and make one edit that proves the code is not trapped inside the tool. The success state is not a perfect app. The success state is a real local project with visible files, a visible browser result, and a human-understandable next step. That is what separates an app builder from a toy prompt box. The honest caveats are important. Local AI app builders still depend on model quality, package installs, front-end conventions, and the user's ability to debug. A tool can generate a good first draft and still leave broken dependencies, layout bugs, or half-wired business logic. So the video should never say Dyad replaces engineering. The better verdict is that Dyad can compress the first draft loop for people who are comfortable reading and fixing generated code. The checklist viewers can copy is: install from the official source, use a throwaway project first, keep the initial app small, run locally before asking for more features, inspect package scripts, commit the generated code before big changes, and treat every AI edit as a diff to review. If the tool makes a beautiful screen but you cannot run it or understand the files, you do not have a product. You have a screenshot. Dyad is interesting only if the local code path stays real. Verdict: Dyad is the cleanest first upload because it has a simple mainstream hook and real open-source grounding. The packaging is strong, open-source lovable alternative, local app builder, no lock-in. The body has to earn it by showing the source, the setup path, the generated app, and the limits. If this video opens with the finished local app in the first 20 seconds, it has a much better chance than another generic repo summary.